Simple present tense, I. Positive sentence. I speak. Negative sentence. I don't speak. Question sentence. Do I speak? Simple present tense, you. Positive sentence. You speak. Negative sentence. You don't speak. Question sentence. Do you speak? Simple present tense, he. Positive sentence. He speaks. Negative sentence. He doesn't speak. Question sentence. Does he speak? Simple present tense, she. Positive sentence. She speaks. Negative sentence. She doesn't speak. Question sentence. Does she speak? Simple present tense, it. Positive sentence. It speaks. Negative sentence. It doesn't speak. Question sentence. Does it speak? Simple present tense, we. Positive sentence. We speak. Negative sentence. We don't speak. Question sentence. Do we speak? Simple present tense, they. Positive sentence. They speak. Negative sentence. They don't speak. Question sentence. Do they speak?